actually, I think one RC Cola and one one RC Cola and one Dr. Pepper.
Grab it! Shotgun it! Shotgun it!
Look at that shit. Keller Piss Bandit, you gotta watch out. We're coming for you.
Alright, now we have the RC can. That's already kind of leaking. No.
This car gotta move, bro.
Alright.
Alright, RC Cola.
Get it! Shotgun it!
Shotgun it.
Here, I'll do it!
Okay. Shotgun it, bro. Dry fly, this is for you.
Stop beating it!
I'm feeling a little thirsty. No littering is done.